Hello everyone, today I am showing you a quick Mawa recipe which you can use while making several sweets. So begin with adding 1 tablespoon of ghee in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the ghee is slightly heated, add 2/3 cup of milk along with 1 cup of milk powder to it and stir continuously to avoid lumps. The entire process needs to be done on a moderate flame with constant stirring. Be careful not to cook in a flash by cranking up the heat. Cook till all the moisture evaporates and it starts leaving edges of the pan and comes together in the form of a dough. This can take anywhere between 10 to 12 minutes for this quantity. And here your instant mawa is ready. Enjoy and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking for most amazing yet simple recipes. Stay tuned.